without wasting much time, if you want to shift a gear, these are the selectors. You see, yes, these are the selectors. And the first gear, second, this is the third and the fourth, fifth, reverse. Most gears are actually like this in a manual car. So if you want to shift a first gear of a manual car, so first of all, you will know your positions of the gears. First gear is always here. You see this line, you have to make sure you follow the line well. Yes, so you have to also use the as paddles. You see over there, that is over there, we have the accelerator. This is accelerator, this is the clutch. I'll be mentioning clutch more. This is the clutch, this is the clutch paddle. I'll be mentioning clutch more often. So you have to press the clutch fully down, then you come to the gear selector, gear knob, and get it close. You are seeing the indication here. So he said we should come straight like this. So you come like this, then you go up. Simple. Is that not simple? Yes, that is how we go. So if you want to come back to second, you hold it tight, close to your leg, close to your knee, and come down. That is second. So simple, so simple. If you want to go to third, you come to the middle, then you go up. That is third. So simple. Yes, I'll be practicing this more on when the car is in motion for you to see. And if you want to go to fourth, whilst your leg is on the clutch fully down, you come down. Because the paddle is in the middle, you just come down. That is fourth. And fifth. Okay, let's do it fast. So first, second, you come to the middle, third, fourth, and then fifth. So simple. Let's take it again. First, second, you come to the middle, third, fourth, you just come down straight. Wow. And the fifth. Let's go. That is it. Thank you for watching.